Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy S24 FE to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can choose Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!